Good afternoon. It is 12 minutes past 12 on Thursday, the 30th of May 2024, and that means that we are, we've completed 2 years and 8 weeks in this approximately 8 year fire journey. You're most welcome along, and I thought we would start by having a look at a sort of an overview of the portfolio. And as you can probably see, if you look at the trend line, it's not so much a trend line, if you look at the line on the bottom here, the grey one, which is actually pretty faint, you will see that it is continuing steadily upwards, and that is looking at a 1 year timeline. And what's most noticeable about it is the increasing gap between the amount invested and basically the portfolio value, and you can notice that that gap is widening as time goes on, and that is what we're hoping for. It is what we would expect to see. And if we look at it on a sort of a maximum time period, so as I say, we've been going now for 2 years and 8 weeks. If you look at the sort of the earlier period in this, there are actually points where the portfolio was in the red, so back there in the early days, and then as time goes on, we come out of the red, and I don't know if we ever go back into the red. It doesn't look like it. And then we see things really start to take off and continue upwards. Not so easy to see on the max time scale. As I say, if you look at it just for the last 12 months, it's a lot more obvious what's happened there. And that's not to say that we will never return to the red, but it is less likely as time goes on and as that gap widens. Currently we are looking at a 18.75% positive return on investment. So if we look at the actual chart for the current period, or as things stand, sort of the normal view of it, if you like, this is what we're looking at. So actually today, down 0.5% so far. As I say, current return on investment up 18.75%. Now it is 10 days since I was last online, just with circumstances as they are. I wasn't really able to do a live earlier than that this week. Next week I think we probably will be back to a Wednesday again, but we will see. So current portfolio value just under 16,000 at 15,965. Let's have a look at the notifications. So auto advances, Auto Trader up 12% after beating earnings in full year results. Biggest stocks before earnings: Royal Bank of Canada, Salesforce, UiPath, C3.ai, Canopy Growth, and HP. MRO takeover Marathon Oil up 9% on $17.1 billion all stock buyout by ConocoPhillips, I think that says. AAL, or American Airlines, is down 13% after slashing second quarter outlook. Another biggest stocks before earnings: Bank of Montreal, Faraday Future, Chewy, Digital Turbine, Nordic American Tankers, Abercrombie and Fitch. Then we have Dell Technologies up 5% as Loop Capital increases price target to $185. Nvidia up 5%, continuing post-earnings rally to new record high. DraftKings down 9% as Illinois Senate agrees to raise taxes on sports betting. GameStop up 20% after raising nearly $1 billion from stock sale in recent rally. And then we have some upcoming holidays. So the 27th has already passed. Let's see if there are more. Okay, I thought there was maybe more detail than that. Let me just go back into that again just to have a look-see. Chances are that has all gone by now, but okay, so that just said Monday, May 27th is an official holiday in the US, Memorial Day, and the UK Spring Bank holiday. Therefore, the respective stock exchanges will be closed for trading. So that was Monday. This is Thursday, the 30th. Right, so that is the notifications as they stand. Guys, let's go ahead and buy our weekly £120 worth of theoretical stock in the S&P 500. Shown here on the Trading 212 practice platform. So at the current price of around about 78.35, we're going to be buying just over 1.5 shares thereabouts. Let's see if that's what we get. Sending it through as a market buy, so whatever the fair price is what we will get. There we have it. It has just executed. I should have gone into the alerts or the notifications. Okay, so we got 1.53 shares and we got them at 70 at 36.5. So we've actually paid slightly more than the price that's showing there, but that's the way it goes. Currently our portfolio contains 205 shares. They are worth just over 16,000 and current return on investment 18.5% thereabouts. Current average price 66.08. And guys, that's pretty much everything I have for you for today. There was something actually that did occur to me just before I went live, and I think it was a general comment. I'm just trying to remember what it was, because I thought it was something that was quite interesting or would be of interest to anybody that watches the channel. But just right now at this moment in time I can't think what it was. I will just say that I have increased the gain slightly on the microphone, and I would be interested to get your feedback, no pun intended, on how the sound was on today's live. Was it okay? Was it booming out through your speakers? Was it too loud? Or was it more in the order of what is required? But yeah, as I say guys, that is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in following the journey, please subscribe to the channel, and if you particularly liked this episode, why not give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great end to your Thursday, and I will try and make a note of whatever that comment was for next time. Bye for now.